Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Last month marked the anniversary of when I started selling on eBay 23 years ago. So I thought I'd share with you my absolute top 8 secrets for dropshipping on eBay. This week's secret is the most important success secret that I know. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit dropship business from their home, from scratch, using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. This video is about the single most important success secret that I know, which is intentionally creating the right success habits in your life. The reality is that we're all creatures of habit, and when you intentionally create habits that lead you to a chosen goal, then success is inevitable. Simple habits are the secrets to success with not just eBay dropshipping, but with every other aspect of life. All habits, good or bad, in any particular area equals predictable results. By recognizing habits, we can quickly check that habit and make sure that we're happy with the future result it will give. If the result is not what we want, we can adjust the habit to give us the result that we desire. Let's take eating as an example. If you were to make a habit of eating, say, one Domino's pizza every night, what result would this give you in the next, say, 3 or 6 months? The result, of course, will be almost certainly a significant gain in body fat. Why? Because the average Domino's pizza has over 5,000 kilojoules contained in it, and the average adult only burns around 8,000 kilojoules in a whole day. There's no guessing here. It simply just comes down to, how many kilojoules a human body can burn in one day versus how many kilojoules are consumed. Human beings are creatures of habit, and these habits determine the results that we achieve in the next 3 months, 6 months, and years to come. Most people overestimate what they can achieve in the short term, but they way underestimate what they can achieve in a longer term. No matter what area of life we wish to improve by adding a habit, we can take control of our life and steer it in the right direction. With eBay dropshipping, in Secret 1, I showed how following a proven step-by-step system can virtually guarantee success. It doesn't have to be my system, it can be any other system, as long as it has case studies showing that other people besides the creator have followed the system and got the same results that you want. So if you're following a proven system, all you need to do is have a habit of every business day working on the system for a minimum of 5 minutes per day, as I talked about in Secret 6. Now, if you missed Secrets 1 to 7, I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you want more detail about how to build an automated eBay dropshipping business from scratch, I have a free online step-by-step workshop teaching how to build a 7-digit eBay dropshipping business from scratch and using less than $100. I'll put a link on the screen and below. Please leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear what habits you've put in place, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home, from scratch, using eBay and Amazon, and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. It's Neil Waterhouse.